Hi. You know, the first video was quite unsuccessful because I was too nervous to be an actress. Because you see, I'm doing it better than you did because I have an operator and I have another actor and myself. You see, he's great today. I just wanted to show you how huge he is. Well, actually, this is my second room, and here it's a place where you're going to stay from 5:45 till the middle of the day. You know, my operator is counting now. Why am I mentioning 5:45? She doesn't understand. This is like private information. So, here, nothing special in this room. Just those TV with only Russian channels, and the sofa, and all the stuff. Asterix is also here. I told you that he's going to stay with you in the morning. Yeah, you see, he's quite enthusiastic about it. And this is my room. Wow, with some music from Moscow nightlife session from Maria's boyfriend. I told it on the same video. There are some stupid men, as Maria said, it should be done like this. Only my photos. Okay, so it doesn't matter. Wow, what? Changing songs. Okay, I should be quick. This is the sofa, this is the wardrobe, there are a lot of clothes if you want to see. On this place Maria usually do like... Well, I think that is all for now.